In 1954, there was a desperate need for seniors housing in Canberra. The National Council of Women saw the problem and joined with other community leaders to form the Goodwin Centre Development Association. Named after Lieutenant Colonel J.T. Goodwin, often called a father figure of Canberra, the association wanted to empower seniors to keep being active community members. The Goodwin Association determined the best way to achieve this goal was to create housing, just like a normal home, but with help nearby if it was needed. They knew what they needed to do, but they knew they couldn't do it alone. They called for donations to fund the project, and the Canberra community responded. They held competitions, parties, markets and raffles. Every penny counted. The federal government saw the importance of their mission and offered £2 for every one they raised. Many hands made light work. In 1959, 6 units, specially designed for seniors, were built in Ainslie, and the first residents moved in. We have since grown our services to provide care for countless people and expanded those first 6 modest dwellings into hundreds of residences, creating thriving communities that will welcome seniors long into the future. To this day, we remain true to our origins, still independent and still not-for-profit, simply existing to provide the best services and accommodation to seniors in our community.